So I just bought this Integra. We're gonna fix some things for it. First off, it idles off. Like there's a misfire. That's what I feel like. So I'm gonna go scan the car and we'll see what we have to do. So it says right here, I have cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, misfire. And then I also have a oxygen sensor heater circuit bank 1, sensor 2. Sensor 2 means it's post-cap. What's the next step? I would check the fuel injectors. Just take out these. And that one is literally running the exact same. Nothing's changing. So that's a fault right there. So let's put that back. Let's check out the other ones. Let's see how I got quiet. So that one's doing its job. Let's do the other ones. That one's doing its job. And that one is doing its job. All right, so now we know it's something related to the fuel injector. Now I gotta find out, is it the actual connector or is it the fuel injector? One way that I can figure it out is I either use like a dome light, which I don't have, but I will swap out that injector with that one and do the same exact test. And if it's different, then it's definitely the fuel injector and not the actual connector. So I'm gonna take off the fuel oil and then swap the fuel injectors. To do that, you just take off these clips, all 4 of them, and then you take off this plastic piece. Next up is this, so you just pull it out. Then you take the actual fuel rail off by these 2 bolts, or sorry, these 3. Then after they're all out, you want to pull it out, but I always put rags underneath right after in case fuel does leak. Alrighty, so now that I swapped it out and I turned it back on, let's disconnect it and do the same way. This one originally, every time when I pulled it off, it stayed the same. Now when I take this off, it should. So how I slow down. Now let's try it with this one. Nothing. So it's definitely the fuel injector itself, and it's not the wiring. And that's an easy fix. So I'm buying that tomorrow, and then we'll see how it runs.